我哋嚟到 Chapter 8會講下 reactivity of metals。好啦，我嚟到 Page 2，我哋睇睇 Part A comparing reactivities of common metals。OK， 咁我通常咧，我哋可以按住3個嘅原則啦，去compare 個 reactivities of metals 嘅。OK， 第一個咧就係 the lowest temperature at which the reaction starts。OK， 咁我哋話咧 a more reactive metal 咧，通常咧就 requires a lower temperature to start a reaction。咩叫 lower temperature 咧？即係話意思即係唔需要加熱啦does not require heating 咧，佢都已經可以發生個化學反應啊。咁相反咧，一個 less reactive metal 咧就 requires a higher temperature to start a chemical reaction， 即係可能需要係 heating 先能夠去做得到啦。咁第二個原則咧就係 the rate of reaction 咯。咁我哋話一個 more reactive metal 通常都咩 react faster 嘅。OK， 咁咩叫 react faster 咧？即係話可能我哋舉就係嗰個 metal 同埋 acid 之間個 reaction 作為一個 example 啦，係咪？咁我哋話如果係嗰個 metals 係 quickly disappear or dissolve in the acid 咧，咁我哋就可以話咧嗰個嘅metal 咧就係一個即係嗰個 reaction 咧係一個 fast reaction 啊。OK， 咁而一個 less reactive 嘅 metal 當然就係一個 slower reaction rate 啦。OK， 咁即係可能舉例就係話嗰塊 metal 抌咗落去嘅 acid 嗰度咧好耐咧都唔會消失嘅 ，does not disappear for a long time。OK， 好啦，咁就第3個 point 咧，我哋可以睇咧就係 amount of heat given out during reaction 啦。咁一個 more reactive metal 通常就乜嘢咧？就 gives out more heat during reaction 嘅。OK， 得唔得？舉例就可能會有機會會出現 explosion 啦，或者係 combustion 呢咁嘅情況出現嘅。咁 less reactive metal 咧就會咩咧？就係 less heat 啦。咁即係可能咧你見唔到咧佢有任何嘅 combustion 呢個情況出現。咁所以我哋咧可以按住呢3個唔同嘅準則啦，就去 compare 到咧個 reactivity of metals 啦。